In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw your money from your Neds app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, from here, open up your Neds app as you normally would. Then you'll be brought to the home section of Neds. Now, we need to navigate to where it says more, a little clown smiley face emoticon down the bottom right hand corner of the page. And now if we scroll up, and then you can see your profile name, etc. Scroll down, and then we got bonus bets, deposit, withdraw. So go ahead and click onto withdraw, and now this is where your money is kept. So you've got a couple of different options. You can do a bank transfer or a PayPal transfer. So choose which one you'd like to do. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to quickly show you the bank transfer. So what we need to do is put in your bank name, account holder name, your BSP account number, date of birth, verification, and then click on continue. And then the next page will be how much you'd like to withdraw. And now if we do the PayPal option, your PayPal must have deposit. You must make a successful PayPal deposit before you can withdraw via PayPal. All right, so I haven't put any money into my Neds account on Tutorial Wiz at this point in time. So in order to activate, you got to deposit, and then you can withdraw from PayPal.